Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to create an A4 size in your Photoshop software. So here as you can see I have opened my Photoshop software and here what you need to do is straight go to file, and when you go to file click on new. So once you click on new, this kind of window will come up. So here what you need to do is you can put a name here. For example, I will say info A4, and here preset. In preset you have to go to international paper. Just select international paper and all these options will come up, like size. You can see already it is A4, but there are a lot many sizes available. Those are used internationally, like A6, A5, A3, B4, all these things will come up. So as this video is on A4 size, I'll choose A4, and as you can see the dimensions of A4 will come up, like width 210, height 297, the typical dimension of an A4 sheet. And here you can see the resolution as well, 300 pixel per inch, and here the color mode RGB. All these things come by default, so you don't have to worry about anything else. If at all you want to change some specifics, you can always do it. And background content white, you can choose colors also. If you choose some other color option will also come, but for this video let me keep it as white. And color profile working RGB, square pixels, pixel aspect ratio. And if you're okay with all these parameters, simply go for OK. So once I press OK, it will take some seconds. You can see, yeah, you can see an A4 kind of sheet or a page has come up to work on. You can paste photos, you can write text, you can write anything. You can work on this page and take a printout also on A4 size. So friends, this is how, and the name of that file has also come as A4 info A4, as you can see. So this is how you create an A4 sheet or A4 working canvas, as we call in Photoshop software. So friends, I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.